you how to do the colors TikTok trend, which is very cool and very easy to learn. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and also activate the notifications by clicking the bell down below. And now let's get started. So the very first thing we're gonna do is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this move is called the mop. I don't know why, but basically our hands are gonna be in fists for this move. So right hand, left one on top of our right hand, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. So it can be lower and or higher, so it can go like this if you want, but I prefer to do it just like this. So you choose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we're gonna go like this as if we were looking for something. Then we're gonna put our hands here as if we were saying stop, and then we're gonna pop our shoulder forward like this. 1, and then we're gonna roll our hands and clap. So let's do it from the very beginning again, so we remember all the moves, and then we'll go on. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look, stop, whoa, roll, clap. So this is also like a whoa almost. So just whoa, roll, clap. So after the clap, we're gonna go 1. So it's like an 8, but when we're halfway through, we're gonna stop. So half 8, and then we're gonna go 1, 2. So there are 2 beats. We're gonna hear them, don't worry. 1, 2, we're gonna bounce twice. 1, 2, like that. So let's do it from the very beginning again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, stop, whoa, roll, clap. 8 and 2. So after this, we're gonna go 1, 2, 3. So fold, clap, fold. But we're gonna clap not like this because it's gonna look weird. There's no way to do it. So there's no way to do it. So we're gonna go fold, clap, but instead of clapping like this, with the other side of our hands, with the back of our hands. So fold, clap, fold. Once again, fold, clap, fold. Once again, fold, clap, fold. So after this, we're gonna go 1, 2. So our hands are in front of us in fists, and then we're gonna do wave, wave. Let's do it from the very beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, stop, whoa, roll, clap. 8 and 2, fold, clap, fold. 1, 2. So then we're gonna go wave, wave with our hands. So I'm gonna stand closer to you guys so that you can see. Wave, wave, and then wave forward. So 1, 2, 3. Once again, 1, 2, 3. It actually looks really cool, right? 1, 2, 3. Once again, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so from here, it's gonna be like this. 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Our hands go behind our head. And now, for the next part, well, first let's do it from the beginning, and then I'm going to show you what the next part is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look, stop, pop, roll, clap. 8 and 2, fold, clap, fold. 1, 2, wave, 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 hands. So after this, the next part, I do it differently, but I'm going to show you how to do it like in the original version. So we're going to point with our thumbs to ourselves, like that. Then we're going to point forward. So 1, 2. And then we're going to do an 8. This time, look how we're going to do it. 1, and then 2, and over here it says something about okay. So 1, 2, and then we're going to put our hand like this. So it's going to be like this. 1, 2. Once again, 1, 2. Once again, 1, 2. So let's do it from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look, stop, whoa, roll, clap. 8 and 2, fold, clap, fold. 1, 2, wave, wave, wave. 2, and then remember, 1, 2, 8. Okay, that's it, guys. Let's do it from the very beginning twice. Once slow, once fast, and we are done. So let's go. First, slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look, stop, pop, roll, clap. 1 and 2. Fold, clap, fold. 1, 2. Wave, wave, wave. 2. Thumbs forward. 8. Okay. And now the same thing, but faster. And that's it, guys. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look, stop, pop, roll, clap. 1 and 2. Fold, clap, fold. 1.